There's a chapter on hydromodification avoidance. That term comes from the EPA and NOAA program for the Coastal Non-Point Source Program. And so hydromodification to me is where a project changes the hydrology, where you modify the hydrology, which changes the flow into a stream or a water body. And if you add more water, you can modify the channel, the creek, the bay, the estuary. You can cause erosion, you can cause degradation. And so hydromodification is the process of that natural system breaking down due to inputs from society. And so we want to avoid hydromodification, and that's where having natural floodplains, having buffer zones around the floodplains, having stormwater detention and water quality measures manage runoff from new impervious cover to keep the flow at existing levels, so we're not modifying the hydrology that can then cause the modification of that receiving water body. As part of hydromodification avoidance, we have a section in the Sustainable Stormwater Manual on natural channel design. In some cases, due to floodplain considerations or situations, a new project may have to do some type of channelization project to help bring the flood flows in to protect existing homes as well. And so instead of putting in concrete channels or classic trapezoidal sections that have no habitat value, offer no recreation type benefit, a natural channel design is an approach that's being embraced across the country. It's a great manual, great tool that provides guidance on how to design a more natural channel in an urban environment to bring in the habitat value, the recreational value. It considers soils and vegetation and the hydrology and the flow and the hydraulics, and puts together all these different data sets and points to compute and design the right type of channel section with the pools and the riffles and other features, so it's more natural and provides that habitat benefit, but still can bring in floodplain mitigation and provide water quality benefits as well. So natural channel design can be a great practice down here in the coastal region with the soils and the slopes and the opportunity. If you have available land area, then you can put that type of practice into play. Again, it takes training. Most development engineers have not done this natural channel design. It may take a expert firm that's done this type of work before to get involved and provide that unique design experience. But it's being done across the country. It's a tried and true practice from the Rocky Mountains to the Texas coast.